Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how you can log into your Margex account using the Margex mobile app. To log into Margex, first of all, launch open your Margex application and you will be able to see this login interface. To sign into your account, you will need to enter your email and the password that you created while signing up for Margex. In the first tab, type in your email. In the next tab, type in your correct password. If you're having trouble remembering your password, click on the reset password link and follow through the reset instructions. Finally, click on login to sign into your Margex account after entering your email and password. You will need to complete this puzzle as well to prove that you are not a robot, and there you have been logged into your Margex account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, then you will also need to enter your verification code from your authentication app, and after logging in, you will be redirected to your Margex dashboard where you can start trading or managing your account. So that's how you log into Margex app. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.